founder of TechnicalKids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So I'm here with another very amazing video, and today we are gonna continue C++ while loops. So let's get started. Dad, not continue, start. So again. Okay, so we're gonna do the while loop and the do while loop. I'll minimize my screen. Okay, okay. C++ while loops. Are you ready, guys? Okay, so let's get started once again. The third time, the hat trick. Dab! C++ while loops. C++ loops. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Its loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make the code more readable. So it's telling what are loops. So it's telling that loops are like the loops are you can, like, if you want to write one thing 100 times, then you can use a loop. So this is the advantage of a loop. Instead of writing 1000 times, I won't write 1000 times print hello world, print hello world, print hello world, print hello world. I don't want to do that. That's when we can use the what you say uh the what you say yeah, that's when you can use those loops. Now the loops can make your code very short but readable, and they save time and they reduce errors. So there are three types of loop. One is a while loop, second is a do while loop, and the third is the nobody can forget, the for loop. There is no infinite loop. Okay. Okay. So C++ while loops. C++ while loop loops through a block of code as long as a specified condition is true. It's saying that this while loop. So the while loop, what it does is keep on loops. It does the same thing until, like, basically, if we give here x less than 10 and the x value is 1, so it would run 10 times, right? And when it's 10 is equals x is equals to 10, then this statement is wrong, so then it would finish. So basically it's saying the while loop does it keeps on looping until this condition is false. Okay, when the condition is false, it stops, and when the condition is true, it keeps on looping on it. So this is the syntax. You'll give the while and give the whatever the condition is, and the code to be executed, whatever you have put, that should be executed. In the example below, the code is in the loop will run. So in the example below, the code in the loop will run over and over again as soon as the variable I is less than 5. Okay, so let's see this example. So we are making a variable I and assigning its value 0. Then we are giving the while loop. We are saying while and we are doing I less than 5. So right now I's value is 0. So I is less than 5. So it is true. So it will go inside and it would print what you say 0. Okay. and then it would do I plus plus. So I plus plus, remember in the operators, I plus plus means basically I equals to I plus 1. So the short form is like I plus plus. So now i's value is 1. Now while I less than 5, so 1 is less than 5, it would print 1. Then it would make the i's value 2. 2 is less than 5, then it would print 2 and assign the value 3. Now 3 is less than 5 and it would print 3 and make the value 4. Now why I 4 is less than 5, so it would print 4 and do I plus plus. So make i's value 5. Now while I less than 5, so here it is wrong because now 5 like 5 is not less than 5. 5 is equals to 5. So that's why it stops, comes out of the while loop. So the full output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you just wanted a 5, you could just simply do it 6. So it would print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mm-hmm. Okay, so do not forget to increase the variable used in the condition. Okay, or otherwise the loop will never end. It's saying if you don't increase this variable's value, then the loop will keep on going and keep on going because it would never stop, right? So it's saying do not forget you give the I plus plus. Okay, it's telling us that. Okay, so we'll come back to the exercises later because we first have to do the do while loop also. Then we will do the exercises because while loops and do while loops exercise will come mixed over here. That's why. Come on, so hard to open as well. The do while loop is a variant of the while loop. This loop will execute the code block once before checking if the condition is true. Then it will repeat the loop as long the condition is true. Okay, so it's saying now why can't you just completely use the while loop? Why can't you like do why are you do what's the use of the do while loop? So the do while loop will do, it would first execute whatever is written here, then it would check the condition. Okay, so now there is an example so that we can understand it in a better way if you didn't understand. The example below uses a do while loop. The do loop will always execute at least one even if the condition is false because the code block is executed before the condition is tested. You didn't understand? I'll tell you. So let's see this example. We are making a variable I and assigning its value 0. Then we are giving the do loop. Then we are doing cout I. So right now it has printed I. Then it checks while I is less than 5. Okay, so it has printed 0 and it's checking now that I is less than 5. Then next we go now. Oops, sorry, here it had increased the value to 1. Now here we go. So see out I. So it will print 1 and do I plus plus. So make the value 2 and then check the condition while I less than 5. Then it would see now it will print 2. It will print 2 because cout I it will print 2 and Now increase 1, so 2 plus 1, 3. Now it's checking I less than 5, so yeah. Then we go again, so it prints 3 and assigns the value 4 and checks if 4 less than 5. Then we do, then we do see out I. So it prints 4 and assigns the value 5. Now when it has assigned a value 5, then it checks I less than 5. So now here which is false. So it would come out of the do while loop. Okay, so we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now okay, so we have done. Do not forget to increase the variable used in the condition, otherwise the loop will never end. So it's warning us once again that you you just increase its value, otherwise it will be a forever loop. This loop will never stop then, right? That's why we will always have to give the I plus plus if we don't want it to be the forever loop. Now it's finally time for the exercise. Okay, so print I as long as I is less than x 6. Now, if we want to do this, so we will use the while loop. Okay, okay, because here first the condition is coming, right? That's why we know it's the while loop. And it's going that as long as i's value is less than 6. So we know what to do. It is I plus plus. Okay, correct. Use the do while loop to print I as long as I is less than 6. Now here it's telling us to use the do while loop. But remember that we don't have to just fully write do while. We will first do, right? Now see out I and then don't. Now loop, use the do while loop to print I as long as I. So once again we'll give I plus plus, and because we are using the do while loop and the condition is down here, we know that here is the while loop. Okay, use a for loop. Okay, so this for loop we have not done yet. For loop in for loop in C++ we have not done yet. So we have done the exercises, guys. Wasn't it fun? So I really hope you liked the video. Next video I will be doing I am sure, guys. I keep on saying that I will put the TMO video, but I don't. But I promise you, God promise, that I will post the video the video whichever next video will be the TMO dance video. Okay, so guys, I really hope you liked the video. If you did, smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel, my brother's channel, Saiasmi Gupta. And we can't forget the magnificent our company's channel, 10x Orders Kids. So guys, I really hope you like the video. Bye. Down. 3, 2, 1, and snap.